Hey guys, it's Michael here from FlySight. In this video, I want to show you how to use the top, side, and the front views in FlySight Viewer. In the plot view, we're usually looking at how something like elevation or vertical speed changes with time. But it's sometimes useful to see what your flight path actually looks like in the real world, and that's what these other views provide. In FlySight Viewer, the first thing I'll do is load data from a high-performance landing. If we zoom out and look at elevation, vertical speed, and horizontal speed, we can find the landing maneuver pretty easily here at the end of the log file. Let's zoom in so we're looking at the landing, and then show the top, side, and front views by selecting them from the window menu. I'm going to make these windows pretty big and split the bottom half of the window between the three of them. In the top view, you'll see a blue dot down at the bottom and a red dot on the right. Notice also that the side view is plotted in blue and the front view is plotted in red. The two dots in the top view are visual reminders of what direction each of these views is looking from. We can orient ourselves in the top view by moving the cursor in the plot above. I'm going to move my cursor in the plot view, but I've got my eyes on the top view down in the bottom left. Using this trick, we see that we approach the landing maneuver from this direction, execute a 270-degree turn, and then come in for a landing. Let's set the views up so that the side view is looking at this final landing leg from the side. To do this, we click and drag side to side in the top view. In this case, we want the final part of the landing to be horizontal in the plot so that the blue dot sees it from the side and the red dot sees it from the front. Once we've oriented the plot, we can see the landing maneuver and recovery arc in the side view. Again, the best way to get oriented here is to move the cursor in the plot view and watch the black dot in the side view. We know the initiation of the landing maneuver is where we start to pick up vertical speed, which is this little curve here. The recovery arc starts where the vertical speed begins to drop and horizontal speed picks up, right here. In this case, the recovery arc looks nice and circular. We'll see in a later video how to quantify this. If you find yourself getting lost in these views, just pause. Use the plot on the top to get oriented, and then look back at the views on the bottom. Going back and forth like this is how your brain will learn to make connections between the changes in velocity, for example, and changes in your flight path. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.